Ooh, this is a nice one right here. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Shy. Today I'm at Cameron Lake Park. I'm going to be doing some bass fishing. But most importantly, I got this new reel right here that I'm going to be doing a review on. I got this reel from Seaknight. It's called the REDFOX. Before I get any further, I want to thank One Shot from Masturbator 559 for hooking it up with all the sponsors and stuff, So let me show you what the reel looks like. This is what it looks like right here. It's a Seaknight, and then of course you got the REDFOX right there. So this is actually my second time bringing it out. Last week I brought it out. I had 65-pound braid on it, and I was going for that top water bite, so I couldn't really put any like weightless Cinco on it and stuff like that. Well, this time coming out, I changed the line out. I put on a 15-pound P line and mono, of course. So I'm gonna be stretching it out first with some top water, and then after that my main goal is to catch a fish on and break into my new reel. So that's my goal today, and then I'm gonna do some more reviews on the reel. I got some feedbacks from the first video, so thanks everybody for that. But yeah, so this one's gonna be another review. Try to hook up on some fish and see how it feels, bring them in and stuff like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to Jerry, Notorious Custom Jigs, Shot from Fish Hub, One Shot from Masturbator 559, and of course, can't forget a Yank for Ghost Jig Heads. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from everyone. I'm out. Peace. What's up, guys? So I just want to show you guys what's going on. So now I got the oh, here it is right over here. I got the setting to the highest right now. I start at 5, so I haven't bird nested the whole day. It's casting smooth now, and I think I kind of figured it out. So yeah, it's casting really nice right now. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm gonna do a cast for you guys. I can launch it out there like that, and there's no bird nest. Once again, I changed my line to mono. This is P line, 15-pound, and yeah, it's casting smooth. I love it. This is the Seaknight REDFOX. I'm going to be doing a review on it today. Try to catch my first bass on it. So yeah, stay tuned and check it out. So far, it's a nice reel. So this is my second day doing the review on it. All right, check it out, guys. I changed it up to weightless Cinco. I see a bass right there. I'm gonna try to catch him right now. Finally. Got one, finally. This is a nice one right here. This guy's nice. This is a nice one right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a nice one right here. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, I cannot lose this guy. Oh fuck. Oh damn. Damn. Check that guy out. It's gotta be a 2-3 pounder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, first fish on my new reel. Oh my gosh. Check that baby out. Oh my freaking gosh. This guy's a giant. It's gotta be a 2-3 pounder. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. On the new reel. Check that out. On the new REDFOX. Boom. Oh my gosh. All right. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Check this guy out. I gotta weigh this guy. First catch of the day. It's a big one. This gotta be a 2-3 pounder. This guy's huge. Check that out. I don't know if you guys can see that. 0. Okay. Bam, check that out. 2.7, 2.6. Look at that big one. 2.7 pounder. I'm gonna go with 2.7, baby. Check that out. 2.7. This guy's a toad. Yo, check this out. 2.7 pound big one. Damn. First one on my Seaknight reel, bro. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Go let this guy go over here somewhere. You know what? I'm gonna let him go right here. Check this guy out. Oh my gosh, he is a big one. Check that monster out. Yeah. What's up, everyone? It's me, Shy. Anyways, finally caught my first bass on the Seaknight reel baitcaster. So that felt awesome. The bad boy was 2.7 pounds, largemouth bass. Caught it on my weightless Cinco, my favorite single color. So this is my setup. Just a 15-pound mono P line to like a small hook like that. I don't know. I forgot what size it is. It's a small hook, and then weightless Cinco, just like that. I like the hook not showing. I feel like the bite's better, and you get a better ratio of hookups and stuff, plus less snag on the weeds and stuff. So yeah, that felt awesome. First bass of the day. I was starting to panic a little bit because they weren't really biting like last week or last time. But yeah, felt good. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna try to catch some more. So that's my PB out of this lake so far, 2.7 pounds. I'm gonna try to catch a 3-pounder now. Something bigger than that. All right, peace. Anyways, just got done testing out the new Seaknight REDFOX baitcaster. So finally caught my first bass on it. I was using my weightless Cinco. Just dropped it in there, and the bass just took it. Caught my personal best here at Cameron Lake Park. It was 2.7 pounds, nice big one. Took a few pictures and then released it safely back into the water. Anyways, I'm not missing a lens, am I? Just making sure. Anyways, so yeah, that was cool. Just want to give a update on the reel and the review. So I did change my line to a mono 15-pound P line. The gear, I changed it to a to the 6. So I started high this time instead of low. Started high, and I didn't have any problems. So it was cool. I was able to cast my weightless Senko pretty far, so that's good. So I recommend this for like weightless Senko, I guess. You know, if any of you guys like throwing like weightless lures and stuff like that, then this is a good reel, because I was able to cast pretty far with that. Anyways, yeah, overall it's a good reel. It just makes that noise. I know some people don't like that buzzing or raspy noise when you cast. It's like a zzz like that. I don't know. It bothers people, I guess. But the maker, Seaknight, that's what he told me, or she, or they told me that it was gonna make that noise. So, you know, didn't bother me. But yeah, this is day 2. I might be back tomorrow. If not, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear from everybody. Any luck?
Caught one, fucking lost 3 or 4.
Oh shit, already? Oh dang, I told you. Look at that.
Come down for the day.
Oh, that's a nice one right there. Oh, that's like a nice 1 pounder, dude. You wanna weigh it?
Nah.
Let me get a picture of you with that.
No, cool.
You sure? Alright. That's it. Joseph with the first kill. Small guy. Oh, first one of the day. Oh. Ooh, way down there. There he is. First one of the day. Oh, nice one right here. Check that out. Not bad. A nice one. Oh my gosh. That's another one. Oh shit, like that? I told you. Told you the spot's hot. What's that? I'm on fire. It's gotta be a big one right here. God damn, there's a hell of them. Damn, I got a hella took it. Came out and smashed it. This guy was hungry. Ah, check that out, little dink. That was probably on his bed too. Ooh, there's a nice one right here. That's a nice one right there. That's a nice one right there. Hell yeah, that's a nice one right there. That's a nice one right there. Yeah, that's a nice one right there. Finally got a, it's like probably a pound. Oh shoot. That fool came out and smashed them. Damn, they're hella aggressive today. Compared to yesterday. What's up? Oh. Boom, check that out. Big one. Damn, I got this nice one. Fishing with Joseph today. Man, Joseph's killing it. I'm killing it. Check out this nice, probably 1 pounder. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Let this guy go right here. Oh, take another look at him before I release him. Oops, and there he goes. He's out of here. Killing it. Damn. Got well. Oh yeah. Another one. Little small guy. Choked on it. Check that out. Oh. Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Shy. Anyway, just got done fishing with Joseph. Just got back, and yeah, today was a pretty cool day. Started out kind of slow. I was having a little trouble with my my line. I don't know why it kept like getting tangled and stuff. So this time I'm gonna blame it on the line, because the line was I think I bought some pretty cheap line, so don't buy cheap line. So I kept getting like, you know, a couple tangles and stuff like that. Anyways, I fixed that, and then you know, kind of the bass were pretty active today, as you guys saw. Caught a few. I think I found the frog spot too. So yeah, and then the biggest one I caught today was probably like another 1 pounder or something. Overall, it was a cool day. Joseph killed it. I didn't get much of his catches on video and stuff like that, but afterwards we decided to stop by and grab some tacos. So here I am. I got some chicharron. Check that out. Does it not look good or what? I don't know. Can you guys see that? Bam. Check that out. So yeah, we stopped by to get some tacos. I also got 2 chicharrones and some other tacos, cabeza lengua, stuff like that, 2 of each. So yeah, home now. Gonna call it a day. And overall, the reel, the REDFOX, Seaknight REDFOX, it's a nice reel. You know, I mean, for 45 bucks, you can't, you know, you can't really beat that. You know, I mean, if you want a reel to like test out and, you know, it's and just catch fish and I don't know, just enjoy it, then, you know, something affordable, then, you know, that reel, the REDFOX, you know, I would say, you know, check it out. If you don't want to, up to you. Anyways, Thanks again to Wanchai, Master Bear 559, and Seaknight for hooking it up. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to Jerry, Notorious Custom Jigs, Josh from Fishhove, and a Yank from Ghost Jig Heads. What's up, guys? I'm gonna call it a day now, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, leave me a comment. Peace.